Hey guys, do you feel like your Instagram is on a life support? Are your posts getting lost and the growth feels rather impossible? If that resonates with you, you are in the right place here. Hi, I'm Joyce. I'm an AI digital marketing specialist, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring your Instagram back to life. Whether you're driving a stagnant account or starting fresh new, I got you covered with a practical step-by-step tailor for 2025. The Instagram algorithms keeps changing, and what worked last year may not cut it for this year. But don't worry, these strategies are designed to thrive in a new era of social media. Let me share something that cost many business owners thousands of dollars failing to optimize their Instagram. They don't have a clear strategy, and as a result, their effort don't lead to sales. But that is about to change. By end of this video, you know how to define your brand, create a compelling bio, craft engaging content, and set your account for a sustainable growth. One common mistake that business owners make on Instagram can cost them thousands of dollars, failing to define their brand clearly. Before I show you how to fix this, let me ask you, are you a personal brand or a corporate brand? This decision is crucial. If you feel that you do not want to be seen in the social media world, it's alright. Then focus on building your corporate brand through collaborations and partnerships. However, if you plan to work on your personal brand, this will be great because on this era, viewers will love to see the real you, the persons behind the brand. Let's look at the numbers here. Elon Musk has far more followers than Tesla. Sarah Blakely with her new invention Sneaks, and Kim Kardashian surpasses her Skims brand. Why? Because personal brands connect on a human level. People trust faces, not just logos. If you are building a personal brand, starts by defining your persona, your missions, your audience, and unique offering. This clarity will guide your entire content strategies. And with that foundation, it's time to create a powerful Instagram bio. Your bio is your first impressions. In just 150 characters, you must answer these 3 questions. Who are you? Why should they care? And why should they follow you? Make it about them, not just you, because there's a formula here to follow. Number 1, clearly call out your target audience and what can you offer to them. An example here, I'm XYZ, I'm here to help ABC, I'm here to help the entrepreneur scale their business through Instagram. Number 2, build authority. Example, I am featured in the Forbes working with 300 clients and you could be the next one. The third strategy is to highlight a compelling reason to click to your bio link. Example like tutorial, workshops, 20% discounts to your viewers, free Instagram strategies, guide, insight, and click here. Alright, with your bio set up now, it's time for step 2. Begin posting as soon as your bio is ready. Why? Because your future followers need to see a preview of what you're offering. What values are you offering? I recommend uploading 12 posts. Populate your feed. It gives your profile a polished look, a complete look. Even with no followers, think of this post as like your welcome mat. Not sure where to start? Treat your posts to frequently asked questions where your audience might Google. Instagram is becoming like a search engine for younger audience, with many looking for quick answers and ideas on Instagram and TikTok instead of traditional search engine right now. For example, create reels on topics like top bubble tea spots in Kuala Lumpur, or how can you achieve a high-end styles without breaking the bank. Enjoy all you can eat Japanese food for only 68 ringgit and satisfy your hungers to the fullest. These types of posts have a high chance of landing on the Explore page, reaching both followers and new audiences. Here's a golden tip. Go to Google, type a niche topics, and scroll to the people also ask sections, because these are the real questions your audience will be asking, and they are the perfect content ideas for your Instagram. Let's talk about the daily role here. What is a daily role? It's basically video clips of your everyday activities without directly talking to the cameras. For example, film yourself sipping coffee, working on your laptops, or even getting a haircut. These clips are super versatile for your reels or your stories. So start a daily roll bank here. Save these little clips in a dedicated album or Google Drive folder. This way you have ready to use footage whenever you need it. Trust me, creating content doesn't have to be really overwhelming. Always start simple, build your libraries, and focus on answering the questions your audiences cares about. Your contents will start working for you even while you're sleeping. This is more about your mindset than anything else. Don't stress about getting viral, chasing trends that don't align with your brands or your values. Yes, you might gain views, but it doesn't attract your target audience. It won't help your business. Viral fame doesn't pay the bills. Quality leads and genuine engagement does. For example, I once posted 15 reels in 5 days. There are people watching, but there's no actual leads. So much efforts I've been doing, but no result. It's better to focus on content that resonates with your ideal audience rather than prioritizing on quantity. It is always the quality over quantity. Even when a post is underperformed, don't delete them. Trust the algorithm, it may bring the right eyes to your content over time. Treat flops or failure as a learning opportunities. Analyze what works and what didn't work. Tweak your approach a little bit here and there and continue experimenting it. Grow on Instagram isn't about perfections, it's about consistency and refinement until you find what truly connects with your audience. Don't just focus on gaining followers. That's one of the biggest mistakes most of the content creators. In the past, I made the mistakes of focusing on followers while ignoring direct interactions, responding to their comments, or even collecting emails and phone numbers. So here's the truth here. The real magic happens in direct messages, the DMs here. People who DMs you directly, those who are interested, they are your future customers here. Ask viewers to comment on your post, then follow up with DMs to build a relationship. You can even turn their comments into a new content like a reel featuring their questions or feedback. These interactions create a snowball effect. The more you connect, the easier it gets to grow. And engagement. Remember, relationship drives results on Instagram. As your Instagram grows and more DMs coming in, the key to scaling effectively is always automation, managing your DM. Here's where tools like ManyChats and official Instagram partners come in. This messaging automation software can send resources like freebies, tutorials, or downloads automatically when triggered by comments on your post. This can really save your time while nurturing leads effortlessly. With automations, you focus on strategy, not administrations. So what's your thoughts? Is starting from scratch still intimidating to you? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you find these tips helpful and want more strategies to boost your Instagram, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also love to hear your thoughts, questions, or any suggestions. Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing. I'll see you again.